So what we have here is my 1971 Ford F350. I bought this truck, gonna restore it, and I hope I still can, but we're having big issues. Rust on the inner fender apron. Thought I could save it. Not happening. We're supposed to be a complete engine. Nope. Only the short block. Got some headers on it though. So I started taking the bolts out of the fenders. Need a passenger side fender. Yep. 2 inner fender aprons, because the driver's side is toast too. It did have a 2 battery setup. 2 batteries. Power brakes, power steering. The hood is, well, what you see is what you get there. I might can save on it though. Passenger side is the same way. To walk around. It's ugly, but it'll be alright. It's got this god awful bed set up on it with the long beams. Yep. Yeah, it kinda sucks. Tires are dry rotted. Those gotta be replaced. Got the god awful bed on it. It don't say when the last year it was tagged, but that's okay. Just an old truck. A little bit of walk around here. It needs a little love. It's rusty. The top's rusted out too, but it ain't all the way through. It's pretty solid. Drip rails look good. Door surprisingly open and shut real good. So I was debating on starting my YouTube channel up. It does have the factory radio in it. Floors are pretty solid. Got lucky. Dash is, that's the only crack in the dash, y'all. Only crack in the dash. I can't believe it. Besides this, but I think we can fix on this dash, thanks to YouTube's. We're gonna redo the headliner. Got the old gun racks there. Got the manual transmission. But yeah, the floors are good. Doors shut really good. So I got the intake, well, a Holley 2-barrel under here. I got a Jeep we're working on too. Got some Jeep parts. So inner doors are, well, it's rusty. I think we can maybe sand them down to bare metal. Get them out. Gotta have all new window trims. The windows actually roll down. A little stiff. They roll down. The dash is foggy. But speedometer works, because when we pulled it home, well, you know, it worked. It's got the Granny 4 low in it. As you can see, I've been doing a little work to it already. A short video here. Yeah, got the factory radio. You want to put a AC in this bad boy, so the old lady will ride in it. Windshield's got a little white down at the bottom, but you know what? Y'all know what? I think I'm gonna try to save on that. I don't know how, but try to save on that windshield. May just run it. Put a new gasket on the windshield because it's cracked there and down there. The back glass looks good. Needs to be clean, you know. The seat Well, you know, that's okay. I'm long legged and I'm 6'1". The driver's side floor is the only one we're gonna have trouble out of here. So this got, you know, a little rust. That's fine. They make new floor pans. We'll cut it out, redo it. That's fine. It's gonna be a long project, maybe a few videos. I even have the key that's in the house, but we'll get it there, y'all. Got a little slack in the steering wheel. Door shut. Awesome. Somebody had them a CB radio, I guess, at one time in here. You know, factory option. Frame looks, well, you know, rusty. I don't know what that thing is. I guess it's a auxiliary fuel tank, maybe. I don't know. Got the 2-piece wheels. This fender's good. You know, just sand it down, paint it. You know, it's all good. Yeah, but an engine windshield. Rubber. Mirrors are shot. It's got the amperage is the, yeah, lamps up there. Those are shot. That's fine. Grills, okay. Bumper, shot. Hood valance. We might can bring that back around. Yeah. That's my 1971 Ford F350 that I bought to try to restore. So, y'all are interested and want to see more, please like, comment, subscribe. I like to get my YouTube channel up and going. We are gonna put a 390 cammed engine in here. I can't wait to go get that and put it in here. But if y'all want to see more, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. I only have one day a week to work on this because I have a full-time job as a truck driver. But y'all stay tuned. I appreciate it. And I ask again one more time, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll get this thing started. Y'all have a good day.